In this video, we are going to solve quadratic equation by completing the squares, where the leading coefficient is 1. First, we gotta move number to the right-hand side. So we just have x squared plus 14x. You add 38 both sides, so equals 38. Now you divide the coefficient of x by 2 and you square it. Then you add that number. So x squared plus 14x. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 7 square. You add 7 square. Now you have to do the same thing on the right hand side. So we're going to add 7 square on the right hand side too. So x squared plus 14x plus 7 square will be expressed as x plus 7 square. 38 plus 49 is 87. Now you take the square root both sides to remove square. So x plus 7 equals plus minus radical 87. Now you subtract 7 to isolate x both sides. So 7x equals negative 7 plus minus square root of 87. Next one. Same thing, we gotta move 8 to the right hand side. So x squared plus 6x minus 8. Now you divide the coefficient of x, which is 6, by 2 is 3, and you square, you add it. So x squared plus 6x, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 square equals negative 8, and you have to add 3 square. So x squared plus 6x plus 3 square is x plus 3 square equals negative 8 plus 9. Now x plus 3 square equals 1. You take the square root both sides, giving you x plus 3 equals plus minus 1. Square root of 1 is just 1. Now you subtract 3 both sides, so negative 3 plus minus 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Another answer, negative 3 minus 1. Keep change, so negative 4. So we have 2 answers. Next one. Same thing, we have to move negative 3 on the right hand side by adding 3. N squared minus 2n equals 3. And you divide 2 by 2. And you square it, you add it. So n squared minus 2n, you divide by 2 is 1. So 1 square, you add 1 square equals 3 plus 1 square. N squared minus 2n plus 1 square is n minus. You have to take the sign with the coefficient of n. So it's minus. Now it's 4 on the right hand side. You take the square root. N minus 1 plus minus square root of 4 is 2. N equals, you add 1 both sides. So 1 plus minus, 2. Okay, so we have 2 answers. 1 plus 2, which is 3. 1 minus 2, it's negative 1. Next problem. We divide 2 by 2, and you square it, you add that number. So b squared plus 2b 2 divided by 2 is a 1. So 1 square, you add 1 square equals 20. Do the same thing on the right hand side. You add 1 square. Now this can be b plus 1 square equals 21. You take the square root both sides. We have b plus 1 equals plus minus square root of 21. You subtract 1 both sides. b equals negative 1 plus minus square root of 21. Next problem, we gotta move 1 to the right hand side by subtracting 1. So we have k squared minus 4k equals 5 minus 1 is 4. You divide 4 by 2 and you square it, then you add that number. So k squared minus 4k, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so add 2 squared equals 4 plus 2 squared. K squared minus 4k plus 2 squared is k minus 2 squared equals 4 plus 4, which is 8. Now you take the square root both sides. K minus 1 equals plus minus square root of 8. Now you add 2 on the both sides. K equals 2 plus minus square root of 8. Next one, we're going to move 26 on the right hand side by subtracting. So x squared minus 10x equals negative 26 plus 8 is negative 18. You divide 10 by 2, which is 5, and then you square that number and add it. So x squared minus 10x, 10 divided by 2 is 5, so add 5 squared. Do the same thing on the right hand side, negative 18 plus 5 squared. Now we have x minus, remember that you have to take the sign with the coefficient of x, so minus 5 squared. Negative 18 plus 25 is 7. Now you take the square root, so you have x minus 5 equals plus minus square root of 7. You add 5 on the both sides, so x equals 5 plus minus radical 7. In the next video, we'll solve quadratic equation where the leading coefficient isn't 1. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe.